guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious restaurant style salsa. So in case you guys want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 28 ounces of whole peeled tomatoes, 3 jalapeños, 3 garlic cloves, 1/4 of a white onion, 1 lime, 1 handful of cilantro, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and salt. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by removing the seeds from our jalapeños. Now if you want your salsa to be spicy, you can leave them in and just skip this step. So I'm going to cut them in half and remove the seeds. Alright, so I'm going to grab my spoon and scrape the seeds out. Alright, so now we are ready to blend. So we're going to start by adding our tomatoes, our onion, our jalapeños, our cilantro, our garlic cloves, oregano and sugar, and we're going to squeeze out the lime juice from our lime. And I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. So now we're just going to pulse it until everything is well mixed. And that's it. We're ready to transfer into a bowl. Transfer it. Now you just want to try it for salt, and then we're ready to enjoy our delicious salsa. Alright you guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. You ready? Yes. So let's grab our chip. You got it? Okay. So good. It's super delicious, you guys. And this is the type of salsa that you can sit down and just enjoy while you wait for your tacos to be ready. The kids will enjoy it. Everybody will enjoy it because it's not spicy at all. Of course, if you want to add spice, you can always add, the chile serrano or leave the seeds in the jalapeno. Super good though. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a delicious restaurant style salsa. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this salsa, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.